Hey there guys, out here with another video. Today we're going to be installing PC31 Pedal Commander. A little dusty. Had this for a while. Been debating about putting it in because I have so much stuff coming out. Last mod I just did that I'm still working on is the rims. Just got my offset rims. If you've seen that video, go check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna see if there's anything big dramatic difference. I'm just gonna go through the process installing it with you guys, filming on a different way today, so let me know if you guys like it or not. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So I just have 3M with this type of material on it, and then I also have this tool with me right here. So I kind of have an idea. A lot of people, what they do is it plugs in from the bottom right here. You can't really see because this is in the way, that's why I want to take that off. But a lot of people just put it around here and then put it right there. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to sneak it through here, try to push it there so we can still have no cables right here. Hopefully we'll see how it comes out. So yeah, let's see if we can get to it real quick. So there should be right there. You see that little thing right there? Let me see if I can have my flashlight sit a little bit up so with the angle. So we're gonna be disconnecting this right here. How it comes out. So let's disconnect it real quick. Little button on top. You just pull it out, and that's what it looks like right there. And then you grab the PCM. So there it is. So have this down in the corner, and then I can see my light through here. So I'm gonna see if I can fish it real quick. Yeah, there should be enough room if you get it right here in this angle. Fish it down this angle. Yeah, so there it is. Let's see if we can put our hand through here and feel if you can touch it. I think I got it. And there we go. Just fished it through. Sweet. I didn't want to have that ugly cable sticking out right here. So yeah, let's see how it is. You know, just jump into it, I guess. Sorry if this is in your guys' way. Here, let me unplug that real quick for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So yeah, let's get to it. Put you guys at an angle. There's good. You guys can still see me. Cool. So the connector that you disconnected from the command is going to be going into the male side. So it's going to be this one right here, the one that says black empty. So you're going to push that in. There you go. There's a little click. And then you're going to connect this one back up to the pedal right here. And just turn it, and then there you go. Hear that little click? And then this is just the light that I unplugged right now. So this is how it looks now. Bingo, bingo. Everything is nice and tightened all right here. See how I kind of did it? Boom, boom. And then I don't know where I kind of want to have this one at. It's kind of thinking little hidden profile, but it's gonna be kind of hard to see that right here, you know. And I kind of don't want to have it like that because you won't be able to see it. So what a lot of people do is they put it right there, but it kind of gets in the way of their buttons. So let's figure this out together. Let me close up this real quick and then get back to it. So honestly, I don't know what I want to do next. Don't know what next mod I should do, what next mod I should get. You guys should give me some suggestions. Leave something in the comments. If you guys always wanted to try something out or always wanted to get a mod but didn't really know if you should get it or not, give me a comment. Tell me what the mod does, what's the purpose of the mod, and I might get it out and share that video. There you go, everything's back in place. So yeah, let me just make sure everything's good. Pedal's good. I put them just back in. They just plop back in right there. So now the kind of hard part, we don't know where we're gonna put that. You know, I'm sitting here, and then there's that. But then look at that wire. We can always just tuck that wire in. Unless we put it right here, we can. Right there is not too bad here. Let me adjust myself. I like to sit close to the steering wheel so I can see everything. You know, you got this big hood right there. I really want to do some exterior mods. I want to get some light trims, and I want to see carbon fiber dash, you know. I don't know if I should or shouldn't. Let me know. And then I'm really thinking about putting Alcantara all on the dash, on top of the dash. Maybe just getting a whole entire Alcantara one, or there's a company that you can buy stuff and it's like a little weird process. You can do it, but you can do it yourself at home and make it a Alcantara look. I don't want to go too crazy and get carbon fiber all through the vents and all these buttons. I just really want the dash. Trying to look for a nice steering wheel under 1,000 of carbon fiber. This is going to be carbon, I believe, and then this right here, and these are going to be Alcantara. And then my paddle shifters hopefully pretty soon. So yeah, let me sneak some of this wire back in there because we don't need all that wire, because kind of figured we should just put it like that. But I'll let you guys know if I do decide to move it, if I don't like it there. I want to know if I can push that in and have the wire go through there, but probably not. I don't want to damage that. So let's just push it in. See, you know how I'm saying, look, there's that. And I don't want it too noticeable, you know, just in case. There. Right there would be pretty sweet too, but so close to the push to start button, and then I could just sneak the cable right there. Maybe that's not a bad idea right there. Yeah. Let's just be safe and put it right here for right now. So let's try it out. So yeah, so by Christmas, I know it's only what, a month and a half away, probably a little sooner before when I post this video. I want to get at least 1 or 2 mods done before Christmas. Hopefully that can happen. We'll see what we can do this year, you know. I really want to get that wide body kit, but yet again, I kind of want to lower it first, so I don't know what I want to do. If I do decide to lower it, I don't want to lower it too much. And I was thinking about putting bags on, but you know, I like to have little fun runs and stuff like that, so I didn't want to jeopardize me messing up the bags and then adding more weight to the car, you know, the air tank and all that other stuff. There we go. Take a look being a pain in the butt, but I got it. I think I'm gonna put it right there, and then tuck the rest of that wire right there. There it goes. No. There we go. And then, let me see. Start it up. There we go. Let's turn it on. Let's see how it works. There it goes. So there's City, Sport, and Sport Plus. And then you can have what settings you want to have. You know, there's light in the way. So turn on my flashlight real quick. So it's on level 1 right now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Close the door. So there we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. So level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So yeah. So yeah. So guys, I'm doing the review for the pedal commander, and I have it on. I don't know if you can see it, it's really dark in here, but let me change this up a little bit. So yeah, it's down here. I have it on fully, Sport Plus, and then all the way to the max. And when I was driving here to the gym in the morning, you can feel it. Pretty crazy how much you can feel it. It's not like a horsepower performance. It's more like you step on it and it goes. I don't know, it just feels sketchy when you first drive it because you just barely have to touch on the gas. Like right now, I'm barely even touching on it.